Improving your English speaking starts with believing that you can get better. The first step is to understand that making mistake is normal and part of learning. You should not be afraid to speak even if you make errors. Confidence grows when you speak more often. The more you use English, the more comfortable you will become. Speak as much as possible, even if you are alone. Talk to yourself about your day, your thoughts, or anything you see around you. This helps your brain to think in English, which is very important. In this video, you will learn simple and effective ways to improve your English speaking at home, even if you don't have anyone to practice with. I will show you how to build your confidence, grow your vocabulary, and speak more fluently by making small changes in your daily routine. So make sure you watch till the end. Every part of this video will help you speak better English step by step. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I create content that helps you speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally. Listening to English daily is also a powerful way to improve. Watch English movies, listen to songs, podcasts, or news. Try to understand the words, how sentences are formed, and how people pronounce words. This will help your listening skills and teach you how to speak naturally. If you hear a sentence you like, repeat it out loud. Try to copy how native speakers talk. This practice will improve your pronunciation and speaking rhythm. Reading is another useful habit. Read simple English books, news articles, or blogs. When you see new words, try to understand them from the sentence. After reading, try to talk about what you read in your own words. This will help you remember new vocabulary and train your brain to form sentences. Reading out loud is also good for practicing your voice and building confidence. Writing in English every day helps too. Write few sentences about your day, your plans, or your thoughts. This helps you organize your ideas in English and prepares you to say them later in conversation. Writing also helps you notice grammar rules and sentence structures. If you can, speak with other people who know English. Find a friend, teacher, or language partner to practice with. Even short conversation can make a big difference. If you don't have someone to speak with, use language exchange apps or join online speaking groups. Every time you use English in real conversation, your skills improve. Don't focus too much on grammar at the beginning. It's okay to make mistakes. The main goal is to communicate your ideas clearly. Grammar can improve slowly over time. As you speak more, you will start to notice what sounds right and what sounds wrong. Try to learn basic grammar rules and use them in real situations. Use new words in your daily speaking and writing. When you learn a new word, try to use it several times in your own sentences. This makes the word stick in your memory. Try to learn words in group like words related to travel, food, work, or hobbies. This helps you speak about different topics more easily. Your environment matters too. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone or computer setting to English. Label times in your room with English names. Follow English speaking pages on social media. These small things keep English in your daily life and help your brain stay connected with the language. Recording yourself speaking is a great way to improve. You can choose a topic, speak for 1 or 2 minutes, then listen to your recording. This helps you hear your mistakes and notice what you can improve. Over time, you will see your progress and feel more confident. Staying motivated is important. Learning English is not a quick process, but it's very rewarding. Set small goals, like talking about a topic for 5 minutes or learning 5 new words a day. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step brings you closer to fluency. You should also be patient and kind to yourself. Some days will harder than others. Sometimes you will forget words or feel shy. That's okay. Keep going. The key to improving is to practice every day, even just for a short time. The more time you spend with English, the stronger your skills will become. Fluency comes with practice, not just study. So speak more, listen more, and think in English as much as possible. Over time, you will notice big improvements. You don't have to be perfect to be a good speaker. You just need to keep trying, learning, and using English every day. You can do it, and I am here to help you on this journey. Keep watching, keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Your best English is waiting for you, and every word you speak brings you one step closer. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.